hanging out with Herping SoCal. We think there's some newts or something down there, but it might be, you know, new thing. Okay, a bad joke, whatever. But I'm gonna go down there. Hopefully I don't end up smelling bad for no reason. Thankfully though, I have my handy dandy $800 Samsung flashlight right here that's been recalled, so I'm gonna use it to light up down there.
Waterproof? Wait, what? Isn't it gonna break?
It shouldn't.
Oh.
Alright, here we go. This is cold.
Anything?
No, not yet. Good thing is my GPS was working under the water. Too bad it can't navigate me to some damn animals. Well, I haven't showered in a few days, so I'm good now for a few more.
Yank on me!
Is he still there?
Yes! Just yank on me. I'm falling in.
Watch out for the Get him!
I'm pulling the grab me, yank me out. Come on.
Ready? Yeah.
Net plume. It's a net plume. Net NATO. Well, really?
Got oh, 2!
Oh my god.
I got 2.
Yo!
Speaking of net, it's like we need to wear one to protect us from the bugs.
I know. Just imagine we got this giant net. Whoa, that's a good throw. Okay, me and Ryan caught these 2 tadpoles. I got one, he got one. Oh. Okay. They are alive. They're just a little lazy.
Yeah.
We're gonna release them. That's one. That's 2. Let's see.
I thought it was cool that they had yellow legs. That's what I like about them.
Yeah. They're cool little frogs.
Oh yeah, we're getting a good one.
We got all these frogs in here. I'd say around 30.
There's the frog pile right there.
There's one just popping over there. Stay back up.
Okay, close it back up. Whoa.
They're just all gonna leap out. Okay, let's see how many we can see. I think
Why
I
don't you look
counted
at the wall?
I think I counted 1 million.
Found an alligator lizard. Ryan spotted him, grabbed him, but then he jumped off and kamikazed away, so I gotta flip this rock and hopefully I don't squish him.
Is he there? Here's the little baby Great Basin fence lizard that we found right when we got here. We had a baby southern alligator lizard, but of course I dropped him and he ended up escaping for hills.
Yeah. Man, look at this place. Like a wonders of wonders. Oh wow, that's a good pool right there.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Oh, there goes my vitamins. Should have taken those.
I guess the fish was
Those fish are gonna be healthy. Ah, what's in my hand? The heck is that?
Wow. It's a cricket.
What, Matt, zoom in on this thing.
A water cricket.
I don't even know what that is. Maybe I shouldn't be holding it.
Kind of hard to see the sunset in its reflection.
Dip them in the water.
I'm putting it back in here. Still on our herping trip with Herping SoCal. Found a few frogs, some other things. Right now we're hoping to get some salamanders though, or maybe we'll get lucky and find like a California mountain king snake, something crazy weird. Hopefully I don't die crossing this log.
Yeah, and the Krazy Kids jam right there.
Yeah, smack in the list. Yeah, smack in the list. Well done, your skin.
God darn it.
Are you ready to roll?
Okay, now.
Bugs are like all over you right now.
Oh, okay. Oh, so there's mosquitoes?
No, it's not.
They're like flies.
Okay.
I don't.
Alright, the bugs are just attacking Matthew's face. They like giving him kisses. I don't blame them. I love him too. Alright, I'm gonna stick my face down in this hole right here. Ryan's got my back just in case I get jumped by a couple of salamanders.
Be there to pull them out.
building point right now.
Jeez. You okay?
I'm good.
We got our first newt. Flipped a rock. Ryan grabbed it.
Put him in here.
You lifted that rock and I was like, wait, that looked orange to me.
Oh, he's making a run for it. Matthew, you're blocking my face. I can't see. Okay. Hey, what?
Best shout out video ever. Yeah.
We appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out us in Herping, SoCal. Please go over to his channel. I'll put a link so you guys can see. He's starting young, a heck of a lot younger than I started in recording. We didn't have no YouTube when I was doing this. So, thank you. Please comment, like, subscribe. Have a good one. Check us out some more in the future.
Here I go. See ya. Camouflage.